guys, this is our another video by the name of problem statement about Python dictionaries and hash tables. So please like this video, share friends, and do not forget to all the notification bell also, and please subscribe my channel also. So now I did not take a long time. Let's move to our media screen and let's do a coding with laughing. So guys, अब हमारी प्रॉब्लम स्टेटमेंट पे आते हैं. सो गाइस वी आर नाउ लेट्स कम ऑन अवर प्रॉब्लम स्टेटमेंट ऑफ पाइथन डिक्शनरीज एंड हैश टेबल्स. सो लेट्स डाइव in this assignment you will recreate Python dictionaries. Okay, you recreate Python dictionaries from scratch means from start, and you use the data structure, okay, called hash table. Dictionaries in Python are used to store keys value pairs. That sentence means like dictionaries in Python are used to store key and value pairs. Like this is dictionaries and Python are used to store this is a key and value pairs are storing it in it. Okay, so keys are used to store and retrieve values. For example, here's a dictionary for storing, retrieving the phone numbers using people's name. Like that, like phone numbers then equal to, then in the bracket I write like names, like, and here there's numbers of the people, here you can see it. Phone numbers like there's name of Akash 94894894949, Hemant 959594944, Siddhant and 923125312. You can access a person's phone number. Okay, you can access the person's phone number and you using their name as follows like phone numbers Akash 94894844949. You can store new phone numbers or update existing ones as follows, like hashtag add a new value, then phone numbers Vishal 8787878787. Update exiting value, phone numbers Akash 78787878, and hashtag view the updated dictionaries also, like phone numbers Akash 78787878, Hemant 959595494949, Siddhant 9231232531, Vishal 87878787. Okay, you can also view all the names and phone numbers stored in phone numbers using a for loop, like that. Here you can see it. You can do like that. Name like Akash, phone number 78787878, name Hemant, phone number 9594949, name Siddhant, phone number 9231325212, name Vishal, phone number 87878787. Dictionaries in Python are implemented using a data structure called hash table. A hash table uses a list array to store the key value pairs and uses a hashing function to determine the index for storing or retrieving the data associated with the given key. Here's a visual representation of a hash table source. So here you can see it. In today's video is about problem statement. I am giving you some problems and let's run this code. Just wait a moment, let me go on my Visual Studio Code file and I'm going to the new file. I write like ryan.py onto the desktop, create file, and I paste this code, save it, run it. So it give me like I intend a block statement for, okay, here we can space it, so now it not give me the error. So now here we can phone numbers is not defined. Okay, let me go on my command prompt, pip install phone numbers. Okay, now when I pip will be get started to install the phone numbers like that, and like pip install phone numbers like that, and when I run it, so now it is collecting like that. Now it is collecting private data. Okay, now this one code has been written. Now let's come on it. So here you can see we also run this code easily as. So here you can see it. this video about problem statement about Python dictionaries and hash table. So I hope you can enjoy this class. If you enjoy, so please like this video, share with friends, and subscribe to my channel. And do not forget to all the notification bell also. And please access my Python DSA playlist and bookmark it also. So now I meet you next class and next very amazing class. So for today, goodbye.